Nina, are you ready? The bus is coming soon.
Almost. I can't find my science notebook.
Look on the kitchen table. You left it there yesterday.
Oh, right. Found it. Did Mom make lunch?
Yes, it's on the counter. 2 boxes.
Is it rice or chapati today?
Chapati with potato curry. My favorite.
Mine too. Do I need my sports shoes today?
Yes, we have PE class. Did you finish your homework?
Yes, all done. Do you have the library book?
Oh, thank you for reminding me. Let me get it.
Quick, I can hear the bus horn.
Coming. Got everything. Let's go.
Let me double check if the door is locked.
Did you brush your teeth already this morning?
Yes, I brushed my teeth before coming downstairs.
Please check if the front door is locked.
Okay, I'll grab my shoes from near the door.
I think the bus is just 2 streets away.
My water bottle is already in my bag.
Wait, did you take your water bottle too?
Thanks for the reminder about the umbrella, Varun.
Mom said to carry an umbrella later today.
I can see the bus at the corner now.
I will get it from under the stairs.
Wait, I need to grab my jacket as well.
We should run a little or we'll miss it.
I got my pencil case. Thanks for reminding me.
Here is the library book from my bag.
You packed an extra snack? That's really nice.
Don't forget your pencil box on the sofa.
I think my tie is already in my pocket.
I already packed an extra snack for us.
Okay, just let me tie my laces quickly.
Is your school tie in your bag already?
Thank you for carrying the lunch boxes, Varun.
I saw it next to your shoes earlier.
I am ready now. Let's run to the stop.
Quick, tie your shoelaces properly before leaving.
I hope the driver sees us and waits.
I'll hold the lunch boxes while you run.
We are almost there, just a little farther.
The bus driver is waiting for us now.
Phew. I'm glad we didn't miss it today.
Yes, we made it just in the nick.
Thanks for helping me get ready, Varun.
Do you have your project file for science?
Yes, my project file is in my backpack.
I put my raincoat in my bag, too.
Good thinking with the raincoat. It looks cloudy.
Is your math homework in your science notebook?
Yes, the math homework is with my science notes.
We can review our English notes on the bus.
Let's sit together and go over the English notes.
Mommy, what's in this old album?
Our family photos from many years ago.
Who is this little baby in the photo?
That's you. When you were 1 year old.
Really? I look so small in this picture. And who is this person right here?
That's your grandfather. He loved this garden very much.
This photo is funny. Papa looks so young.
Yes, that was before we got married.
Can we show these to Dottie tomorrow?
Of course. She will love to see them.
I like these photos. They tell great stories.
Yes, memories are precious. Keep them safe always.
Who is this lady with the big smile?
That lady is your aunt, my older sister.
What were you like as a little girl?
I was very shy and quiet, just like you.
Did Dada also have curly hair like me?
Yes, he did. You got your curls from him.
Can I have my own photo album too?
Yes, we can start one for you soon.
This one with the cake looks very happy.
That's your first birthday party at our home.
Where was this beautiful beach picture taken?
That was on our holiday to Goa years ago.
Do we have photos from your wedding day?
Yes, I have some from our small wedding.
I wish I could meet grandfather in person.
He would have loved you very, very much.
This garden looks exactly the same today.
Yes, we still take care of it together.
Thank you for showing me these memories.
You're welcome, my dear. Memories are meant to be shared.
Can we put new photos in here too?
Of course, we can add new photos together.
Will you tell me the story behind this?
This photo was taken during our first Diwali together.
I will keep this album safe forever.
That makes me so happy to hear, sweetheart.
Can we make a frame for this one?
We can pick your favorite one to frame.
How old was Papa in this school picture?
Papa was 8 years old in that picture.
Why is everyone dressed so colorfully here?
That was at your uncle's colorful wedding celebration.
Did you take this photo or did Nana?
Nana took most of the older photos here.
We should look at this every weekend together.
That's a wonderful idea. We can do that.
Feels like traveling back in time.
It really does feel like time traveling, yes.
I love our family's history so much.
I am glad you feel connected to them. And we are making new memories every day.
Sister, can you help me water the plants?
Of course, Rahul. Which one should I start with?
Start with the roses. They need more water.
How much water do the roses actually need?
Until the soil is wet. Not too much.
Okay. The marigolds are looking very beautiful today.
Yes, they bloomed yesterday. Be gentle with them.
Should I water the new plants in the pots too?
Yes, but less water. Their roots are small.
This mint smells so incredibly nice when watered.
Nature's perfume. Thank you for your help.
I really like helping you, Rahul. It's peaceful.
Did you remember to check the tomato plants?
Yes, I checked the tomatoes. They look healthy.
They need extra care during these sunny days.
Should we add some fertilizer to them soon?
I love how peaceful the garden feels now.
It really does feel calm and quiet here.
The sunflowers are growing taller every single day.
The sunflowers will be huge in another week.
Please be careful not to step on them.
I'll walk slowly and watch where I step.
Should we plant some new seeds next week?
Planting basil seeds sounds like a great idea.
I think basil would be nice and useful.
I love the smell of fresh basil leaves.
Let's water the plants on the balcony too.
I'll take the watering can to the balcony.
They can get very dry in this heat.
Yes, potted plants dry out so much faster.
I appreciate you helping me like this always.
I'm happy to help anytime you need me.
Gardening is much more fun when we're together.
I agree. It's more enjoyable when we cooperate.
Look at the butterfly near the lavender plant.
Wow, that butterfly is such a pretty color.
We should water it a little bit more.
How much more water does the lavender need?
Don't forget the small pot of coriander.
I won't forget the coriander pot, don't worry.
It's starting to grow leaves at last.
I'm glad it's finally starting to grow well.
Maybe we can water the garden every evening.
Watering every evening sounds like a good routine.
That way the plants won't dry out.
It'll keep the garden green and lively longer.
Thank you again for being so helpful today.
You're welcome, Rahul. I love gardening with you.
I enjoy spending this time with you, sister.
Me too, sister. Let's do this again tomorrow. Our room is so messy. We should clean it.
You're right. Where should we start?
Let's pick up the clothes first.
Okay. Yours go in the blue basket, right?
Yes. I'll organize the bookshelf.
Should I sweep the floor now?
Yes, please. And open the window for fresh air.
It's already looking much better.
We should clean every Sunday.
Good idea. A clean room feels nice.
Look, I found your lost earring under the bed.
Oh, wonderful. I thought it was gone forever.
See? Cleaning has many good benefits.
I can take care of these shoes.
We can also sort the old magazines.
Yes, that's a very smart idea.
I think this pile belongs to you.
Okay, I'll check this pile right now.
Let's make the bed after we sweep.
Yes, I'll help with the bed too.
The sunlight is making the room brighter.
Yes, it feels warm and very nice.
Should we wipe the dust off the fan?
I'll get a cloth for the fan.
We can share the work evenly today.
Yes, teamwork is the best way.
We can put up this small poster.
That poster would look lovely here.
I can feel the fresh air already.
The air is so fresh and cool.
The new arrangement looks much more spacious.
Yes, I love the new open space.
Let's fold and put away these blankets.
Let me take care of those blankets.
Should we donate these extra old clothes?
That is a kind and good idea.
This corner needs a little extra attention.
I'll clean this corner carefully now.
Good teamwork makes the cleaning much faster.
Yes, we are finishing so much faster.
Let's also empty the small trash bin.
I'll take the bin out later.
We can listen to music while cleaning.
Music always makes cleaning more fun.
This room looks completely different and tidy.
It looks like a brand new room.
Let's promise to keep it neat longer.
Yes, we can try our very best.
I am really proud of us today.
Me too. We did an excellent job.
Cleaning can be fun when together.
Yes, it was actually quite enjoyable today. What time are your parents coming?
At 5 o'clock. We have 2 hours.
Did you buy fruits for them?
Yes, mangoes and apples. They're favorites.
Should I make tea when they arrive?
Almost. Just need fresh towels.
Yes, please. And bring out the biscuits.
Yes, I reminded him. They'll stay 3 days.
Is the guest room ready? I'll get them.
No, the blankets in the cupboard are enough.
Is Papa bringing his medicines?
Extra pillows would be very thoughtful on it.
Good. I'll help with their bags when they come.
Flowers would make them feel extra welcome.
Thank you. They'll be happy to see you.
Thank you for getting the towels so quickly.
I'm excited too. It's been 6 months.
A small snack platter is a great idea.
Do they need extra blankets for the night?
Yes, their old songs would make them smile.
I can arrange extra pillows if needed.
That is very kind and helpful of you.
I think we should also get flowers.
Traffic is usually clear at this time.
I'll go and get the towels now.
The heater is already in the room.
Should we prepare a snack platter as well?
They're coming by their own car.
We can play their favorite music later.
Yes, please help Papa park the car.